my friend. Welcome back to Real Talk English. I'm Sarah, and I'm happy you're here today. In this lesson, Anna has 5 small moments in her day. Very simple moments. Very normal moments. But all in English. First, she meets a new friend at the park. Then, she buys a book at a local bookstore. Next, she tries an art class. After that, she buys a small fan at the store. And finally, she gets a coffee and practices small talk with the barista. These conversations are short, simple, and very natural. Perfect for A1 to A2 learners who want real English for real life. So relax, listen slowly, and learn English in an easy way. Let's begin with conversation 1. Wow, the weather is so nice today. Excuse me, your guitar sounds really nice.
Oh, thank you. I like playing here in the afternoons. It's quiet.
That's cool. I'm Anna. I just moved here.
Nice to meet you, Anna. I'm Alex. How do you like the town?
I really like it. It's very peaceful. Where are you from?
I grew up here. Small town, but friendly people. What about you?
I'm from another country. I came here 2 months ago.
Wow, that's great. What brings you here?
I work from home, and I'm learning English.
Your English sounds really good.
Thank you, but I still make mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes. Don't worry. What do you like doing?
I like painting and cooking. What about you?
I play guitar, and I like hiking. There are good trails near here.
That sounds fun. I want to try hiking.
You should. Do you have hiking shoes?
Not yet. I need to buy some.
Yeah, good shoes are important. The trail can be rocky.
Where do you usually hike?
There's a trail called Blue Ridge. It's about 20 minutes from here. Beautiful views.
I'll remember that. Maybe I'll go sometime.
Well, I don't want to interrupt your walk.
No problem. It was nice meeting you, Alex.
You too, Anna. I'm here most afternoons if you want to talk again.
Great. See you around.
See you. Stay cool.
Excuse me, do you have books for learning English?
Yes, let me show you. We have a whole section here. What level are you?
I'm a beginner. Maybe intermediate beginner?
Okay. This one is popular. It has short stories with simple words.
Oh, nice. The stories are short. Does it have audio?
Yes, scan this QR code on the back. You can listen online.
Perfect. That's what I need. How much is it?
It's $12.95, and with tax, it's about $14.
Good price. I'll take it. Do you have grammar books too?
Yes, we do. This one is good for grammar. But maybe start with the stories first.
Good idea. I'll come back later for grammar.
Sounds good. Can I help you with anything else?
No, that's all. Can I pay with card?
Of course. Come to the register.
Thank you for your help.
No problem. Good luck with your English. You're doing great.
Thank you. That's nice to hear.
We get new books every month, so come back anytime.
I will. Have a good day.
You too. Enjoy the book.
Hi, welcome. Are you new here?
Yes, first time. I'm Anna. I'm a little nervous.
Don't be nervous. I'm Sarah. Everyone here is just learning. Have you painted before?
A little when I was a kid, but not watercolor.
No problem. Watercolor is easy to learn. Do you have a favorite color?
I like blue. It feels calm.
Me too. Blue is beautiful. Today, we're painting flowers. Simple flowers like daisies.
Flowers sound nice, but what if my painting looks bad?
Listen, it's not about perfect painting. It's about having fun. No one is judging you here.
Okay, that makes me feel better.
Good. And if you need help, just raise your hand. We have 1 hour today. Take your time.
Sounds good. I'm ready.
Great attitude. First, I'll show you how to mix colors. You can make many shades of blue.
I want to learn that. Perfect. Watch closely. We start with just blue and water. See? If you add more water, the blue gets lighter. Oh, that's cool. Right? That's the fun part. You can control how light or dark you want. Now you try. Like this? Yes, exactly. Good job. See, you're doing it already. This is fun. I'm glad. Okay, everyone, now let's start with the flower shapes. Excuse me? Can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I need a fan. My bedroom gets very hot at night.
Okay, we have small fans here and bigger ones there. What size is your room?
It's medium size, not too big.
Then I recommend this tower fan. It cools medium rooms well.
Which one is quiet? I don't want noise when I sleep.
This one is super quiet. I have the same one at home. You can't hear it.
Really? That's perfect. Does it have different speeds?
Yes, 3 speeds, low, medium, and high. And it rotates too.
Rotates? What does that mean?
It moves left and right. It cools the whole room, not just one spot.
Oh, that's good. Does it have a remote?
Yes, you can control it from your bed.
Perfect. How much is it?
It's on sale, $24.99. original price was $39.99.
Wow, I'll take it.
Great. Pay at the registers up front. Need help carrying it?
No, I'm okay. It's not too heavy.
All right. Stay cool. It's going to be hot tomorrow, too.
Good thing I'm buying this fan. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, can I get an iced latte? Medium, please.
Sure. Regular milk or almond milk? Oat milk?
Regular milk, please.
Got it. Do you want any flavor? Vanilla? Caramel?
Vanilla sounds good.
Good choice. Vanilla is popular. How's your day?
Pretty good. I just came from art class.
Oh, cool. What kind of art?
Watercolor. We painted flowers today. I'm not very good, but it was fun.
That's awesome. I love painting, but I'm terrible at it. Stick figures only.
My teacher says it's not about being perfect. Just have fun.
Smart teacher. People stress too much about hobbies. Just enjoy it, right?
Exactly.
Okay, one iced vanilla latte. That's $4.75.
Here.
Perfect. Here's your receipt. We have a tip jar if you want, but no pressure.
Of course.
Thank you. That's nice of you. Careful. Lots of ice.
Thank you. It looks good.
Hope you like it. Come back and tell me.
I will. Have a great day.
You too. Good luck with painting.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. See you next time.
And that's the end of today's lesson. Great job, my friend. You learned 5 real conversations. Meeting new people, buying things, learning a hobby, and having friendly small talk. These conversations are very common in everyday American life. So try to listen again, repeat slowly, and practice speaking out loud. Remember, your English becomes better little by little. Not in one day, but every day. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe. And tell us in the comments which conversation was your favorite today. Thank you for learning with Real Talk English. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.